In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite login failed on your Xbox Series S. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple solutions, easy to follow, that you will be able to use to address any issues attributed to Fortnite on an Xbox Series S or X. So, first, before you even begin following these methods that I'm going to show you, what I would recommend is that you go over to the Epic Games website, and in there you will be able to find a website that has the availability and status of all of the servers that you can connect to. This is important because if you visit this website and you notice that the servers for the game are down, then there's nothing that you can do. If the servers are having trouble or if they are going through maintenance, you simply have to wait because the problem is not exclusive to you. It is also happening to other people, and all of you will only be allowed in when the servers are up. So if you checked this website and you notice that the servers are up, then you can move on to the other methods because potentially the issue could be with your console or your installation of the game. The first thing that I would recommend is that you go over to your library, find Fortnite, select it, and then press the button with the three lines on your controller. This will bring up the option for you to manage the installation and the game. So go into Manage Game and Add-ons, and when you go over to the management page for Fortnite, you will find two relevant options, updates and then the saved data. The first thing that you have to do is go over to updates. This is going to automatically check for any pending updates, as you might be aware, because you need to be online to access and log into Fortnite. If you have any pending updates or if you don't have the latest version of the game, you will not be allowed in. So by updating the game to the latest version like everyone else, this is usually going to fix any issues that you have attributed to the game. Sometimes an update didn't go through because you don't have enough storage space, or sometimes it just happened to not go through automatically. So by manually going over to this window, you will be able to check. If you notice that you get this message like I'm showing you on screen where no updates can be found, then you have the latest version of the game and this isn't the issue. The last thing that I would recommend, if the servers are up, you have the latest version of the game and it's still not working, is to reset your Xbox and then completely reinstall the game. By reinstalling Fortnite, you will be able to address any issues related to corrupted files or missing files from those installations and updates. It is going to take a while, but it is by far the best method to fix any issues attributed to Fortnite not working on your Xbox Series S. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite login failed on your Xbox Series S. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.